And then this is a pickup of the day from the same stall as these Jeffrey Wests. We have a pair of and here we are back in the storage unit. Tuesday, not Monday, really busy, lots of packaging to do. So didn't get time to finish this video yesterday. So yeah, finally got some time. 2 tables worth. We've got shoe table and we've got everything else table. So loads of stuff again, loads of pickups, good money to be made here. So yeah, let's flip you around, show you what I got. We'll start with the everything else table. Quite a lot of variety today. We'll start on this end. I always like picking these up like a buggy board, but this one's Scallywags, a cheaper brand. When you do find these, make sure they've got the attachment bands here, because they can be cut off and disposed of, so you're just left with a board that can't be attached, which is annoying. But this one's complete, £7. That should be £25–30 there. Solid start. Sold one during the week actually. This was a nice little find in a box underneath the table. Saw poking out Kenwood Multi Pro. It's like a food processor. We've got a blender, got all sorts of bits going on here. £7 I paid. I think they're asking 10. Another sort of spice cutter there. But yeah, it's got everything. Even if it's not working, I can split these right down. That's what's good with Kenwoods. You could sell this on its own, that on its own. Everything can be broken right down, even down to the different cutting parts and mixer parts. So always safe with £7. If it's all complete, all working, hopefully £60 to £80 on this lot. Sell it as a job lot in one go, or again I could break it down anyway, even if it is working, because people need replacement main units and things. So yeah, loads of money to be made just hiding under the table. This cost 50p. They did say it isn't working, so I'll try and get it working if I can, but I had to buy it just for 50p just to take a chance. Bush, made in Italy, sort of retro vintage clock with radio like on the side. So you can lay it down like that and look at the time, or it can be on the wall. Not seen one before, but really different. I wanted that for 50p. It's probably, I can't get it working, but for 50p I'm sure I could sell it for like 10 to 15 as it is. Someone could fix it up. Yeah, just wanted to give it a go, see if I can get it working. Bullseye plush, genuine Disney store, big bullseye plush. This was £1. I thought there was a small hole, like a popped stitch, and I've just found it. Just a pop stitch there. I'm sure I could give that a go. I've got a little mending stitching kit somewhere. For £1 though, always worth it. Should hopefully be, once I've stitched them up, £18–20 maybe 15 to 18. Obviously plush, so not going to break in the post or anything, and should sell nice and quick. Nice vintage Brother typewriter. Just missing the ink reels. I could replace them so it's complete, ready for the buyer who buys it from me. A standard vintage pickup for £10. I think I've sold one recently, Brother Deluxe. Should be £35 to £45 plus the postage, no problems at all. In really nice condition. A really nice Roberts radio. I believe it's a DAB radio, digital radio. It's got Bluetooth as well. If you do find this make at boot sales or charity shops, the coating can like really degrade. They can look really scruffy. You can still get like okay money for them, even if they are in a bad way, but it's all about condition obviously. This one is all right actually. Couple of markings there, but it's not like degrading at all really, just a few marks. Nice black color as well. Got this with this video camera, no charger, just a Canon like digital camcorder. Got these two together, like I said, for £15 I paid. Absolute bargain. As tested and working, this Roberts radio should be hopefully £50–60 on its own. Try and get a charger with it if I can. Nice cheap one just to power it up, or it should be on batteries as well, I'm not sure. 50–60 quid on a £15 deal. And then this one again, no charger, but I've ordered one for, I think it was like £10.50 on Amazon. I'm pretty sure it should be working. Not much to go wrong with digital cameras, like no light. If there's tapes and things, internal mechanisms can go wrong. So I'm pretty sure this is working. £7.50 and £10-ish for the charger, so I'm in this for about £17–18, but when it's returning hopefully 60 to 80 with the bag as well, that'd be well worth it. This is a nice little gadget for £2 picked up. This is the Rode Angel. I believe you just plug it in. There you go, cigarette sort of plug there. I believe it detects like speed cameras and bits like that. But £2, hopefully £20–25 there. Nice classic speed stacks in the box. Got the cups, got the map got the cups, got the speed mat, got the timer. There you go, here's the timer here. Just make sure that's working. The battery probably needs changing. Nice cheap cell battery. £4. This should be 25-30, maybe 35. I think the most I ever got was for a brand new open box one. I got like £50-60. Obviously this has been used. So yeah, more the £30 range from £4 boxed up. Won't be a pain to send out. Nice pickup. The last one for this table was this bargain here. This was at the second boot sale. Looked like a bit of a dealer type stall, so I wasn't going to ask because I thought it's going to be way overpriced. But I asked the question, £20 for all of this setup here. Said it's all working. Obviously, I've got to make sure it is working. We've got the main unit, got the remote control, all the wires, and 6 speakers as well, like surround speakers, all Sony branded. Here you go, all the wires, everything, all singing and dancing. 20 quid. Again, I could sell it all together. I could break it down. That's probably what I will do. Make sure this is tested and working, sell that on its own, hopefully £50-60 just for the unit. Remote control, £10-15. And then the speakers, split them out. Could do that on its own, and then these ones, or do them all together, so someone's got all the surround in one go. Hopefully another 50-60 quid. So £20 into hopefully over £100. Really nice. Really, really nice. Right, we'll come on to the shoes now. I won't spend too long. I'll probably end up boring myself, but don't want to bore you lot, so we'll whiz through. Again, this is a mixture of shoes and boots guy and a few others that you would have seen in the video clips at the boot sale. A few surprises as well, and a very, very, very good pickup. We'll start with the surprise. It's these Guess trainers. I haven't actually picked up Guess trainers before, maybe once or twice. Picked these up for £5. Took an absolute gamble. I thought, oh, Guess is a decent brand. These look quite quirky. I mean, good condition as well. Looking at the toes and everything. Was a bit of a baby wipe. Get the mud and that off. But these exact ones, believe this was a couple of days ago now, but I'm pretty sure I saw some go for 50 quid, and I think I showed it on the camera. So £30-50 from 5 pair of trainers. Like I say, they fit in my box. I've got a spare box, and there's another box going. There you go, I've got an empty box here for trainers, so we'll be filling that up. Easy storage, easy post, you know the game by now. Love that. It was a frustrating morning, frustrating start. Kept missing out on things were overpriced, and I think this was one of the first deals I've done. £15 each, I won't take any less, so 15 for these Air Max. They look like new. They look like they've been worn inside maybe once. There's a slight mark there, but there's nothing else on top at all. Really nice condition. That's why I did spend 15 on these. They're a bit smaller than I'd like. Obviously men's is the preferred choice if I can. These are a 5.5, so women's size or girl size. Nice sort of faded pink colour. Hopefully 35-45 there. Again, same deal with these. These ones look like they haven't been worn at all. Looking at the bottoms, crispy clean. Toes, literally there's no crease at all. So I could sell these as new, unboxed. Looking inside, they still got a sticker on. These are a size 6. So if I can, I'll obviously double check these. If these are new, unboxed, hopefully 50-60 quid for these from 15. If they are slightly used, I'll double check for marks like I just said. Yeah, even with marks, 35-45. Really nice. This is another brand, different brand. Kurt Gruger. Oh, another brand I can't say properly. Geiger. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. Never actually said it out loud, I just read it. I think these were these £3 or £4. Really nice condition again. Decent brand. Hopefully 25-ish pound there. Paying up for the right thing. Dr. Martens. Haven't picked many up recently. They were asking 40. I've paid £35 for these. And the reason I did, made in England. Also the leather is in decent condition. Bit of wear, obviously a bit of mud. Wipe them down, give them a bit of shoe polish. Make them look good. I think they're a size 5, she said. We agreed on £35. And because they're made in England, good condition, good size, this should be hopefully £80 to £100. Probably going to try the £100 mark. Accept offers of around 80. So take away fees. I've doubled my money, maybe a little bit more. And they should sell really, really quick. Classic Air Force Ones, £10 from a shoes and boots guy, size 8. Easy stuff, 25-30. Converse, size 10. £10, hopefully 25-30, maybe more 20-25 actually. These are different. Nike SB trainers, size 10, owe me £10, should be 20-25. These dirty Air Maxes look like someone's been running in a muddy field. in really, really good condition. This is over £100 trainer here, even used, but obviously I need to sort these out. There's a bit of fade into the red, so I can't ask top dollar, but they owe me £10 again because condition from my shoes and boots, man. Hopefully once I've cleaned them up, they look decent. Probably more 40 to 50. £15 Timberlands, like where I need myself. Actually got a pair of boat shoes on right now. Obviously I'm out of summer now, but it's still warm this week. Going through a mini heat wave. 15 into hopefully 35 to 40. Nike Air Force Ones, smaller size. I think these are a 7 or 8 in black. Only 10, 25, 30. Another pair of Nikes. These are Court Royale. Again, Omi 10. Shoes and boots guy. Hopefully 2025. Pair of Timberlands. Omi 10. Shoes and boots guy. Same story. Size 10. These are hopefully 30, 35. These are Omi 2. These weren't shoes and boots guy. This is just a random stall. Not in the best condition, but they only owed me £2. Slightly older as well. That's why I think I did pick them up, because they're slightly older. Hopefully I can get them cleaned up from 2, hopefully into 20. Shoes and boots guy, yeah, again, £10 each on these. Air Max 95s, I think, off the top of my head, or 97s. One of them. Both size 5 or 6s, good condition, really nice. £35 each there, should be at least, hopefully more 40. And we've got these two from the same stall, just an older couple, clearing out. He was selling his old shoes. We've got these ones first, they have got the box. Jeffrey West Muse. There's one down there in the box, like sort of shiny, glossy, cowboy type boots here. These were only £3. They said £5 each. They gave me these for £3 for some reason. Didn't even ask, but I took it. Nice details there. Hopefully, I'm not sure on these, £40, £50. I have to do a bit more research, but yeah, definitely more than £3. And then this is a pickup of the day from the same stall as these Jeffrey Wests. We have a pair of Gucci's, made in Italy, size 43E, which is obviously the European size, and E is the width. Got these pair of leather white loafers. Gucci, look at that. I've been doing a bit of research, and these are genuine. I'll do a bit more. It's like a nice wooden bottom here, wooden sole, I believe, or just really hard leather, or a bit of both. Not sure, yeah, but £5 they asked, and as he said, these are the nuts. His words, they were his originally. I think size 43 is a 9, is it? They look like a 9. In fact, let me slip them on. Oh, there we go. How's that? White loafers and shorts. Gotta rock that. Yeah, I think they are size 9, slightly tight for me. I'm a 10. Oh, there's a box here. I'm a 10, they're slightly tight here, so yeah, definitely a 9. But real Gucci's for £5. Wish these were turning up every week. Trying to find a price, and prices seem up and down. They can go from sort of 80-ish pound to 100 to all the way £200 plus. Someone got a pair of like white loafers for. The condition is on its side, the size is on its side, the brand is definitely on its side. Again, just a bit more research just to double check myself, make sure they are real. They definitely feel real, really soft leather, quality, sturdy, like bottoms. So I'm going to say 150 to 180 for these. Again, to be confirmed, £5, absolute bargain. Just shame I haven't got the original box. They came in a box. It wasn't a Gucci one. Pair of sandals. There we go. Done. That is me sorted. I bought a lot more than I thought. Whoa. That's what I get for messing about with second-hand stuff, all dusty and that. And I'm quite sensitive to dust, so the two don't go well together. Luckily I have a emergency hay fever tablet kit going on down here, so I'm gonna have to take one of them. My eyes are going itchy now. Oh god. Alright, yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you've learnt something here. I'm really pleased with how it's gone, and obviously the sand news of my late riser boot sale. This is the last year they're doing it. Apparently they've been going for 28 years. The people that run it, or they own the land, they're retiring, they're focusing on a memorial or something. So yeah, it's probably, this one tends to go until end of September to early October, so I've probably got 3 or 4 weeks left of this one, depending on the weather. So I've got to make the most of it. Shoes and boots guy still going to be selling. I'll probably just change what boot sale he goes to. He'll let me know. I'm his #1 customer. So yeah, he'll let me know where he's going. So that's contact still in the bag. Still got my hi-fi guy contact, but the camcorder guy, I'm dropping him. Dropping. Reliability issues. If I can't trust someone, I had a couple of issues. Obviously I'm paying up good money for these cameras, but one of them, this one, doesn't power on, completely dead, which is really annoying. And one of them as well, one of the big ones, it works. Like when I was, like, he showing me, like, I was charged the camera and things, I could see it at the boot sale, but testing it fully, it didn't play back the tapes properly, which is no good. Part faulty. So yeah, and I'm paying good money for them. I have to sell them for parts now. Keeps messaging me with all these other cameras, but yeah, if I can't trust him, then I've cut him off, which is a shame. Might have been a genuine mistake, but yeah, if I'm paying money, I'm the sole income earner for the wife and 3 kids. I can't be wasting money on broken merchandise. So a bit of a shame, but we live and we learn. Thanks again for watching. Smash that like button, does help me out, helps the video out, bump it up the algorithms of YouTube and things. And if you aren't subscribed, consider if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you like this sort of content, making money online, tips and tricks of the trade, then yeah, stick around. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later.